Hi guys, so let's make a delicious beef curry today. Let's start with the cutting tomato. Let's cut into 4 pieces. Cut onion into smaller pieces. After washing the meat nicely, let's cut into small pieces according to your choice. Let's put the meat, onion, tomato, tamarind powder, meat masala, coriander powder, salt to taste, chilli powder, ginger and garlic paste. After that, cooking oil and mix very well. Now all the ingredients has been put, so let's start cooking. In beginning 5 minutes full flame, after that low flame. 7 times we're still done. Now the gravy has formed by the ingredients. So now cooking is finished, let's start plating. Rice, beef curry or beef stew and boiled vegetables, beans, cabbage. So this is my recipe. It was yummy and delicious. You can try it, your family will love it. Thank you.